Hi everyone and welcome back to Rebecca's Corner. So sit back and enjoy this lovely video. So this is the whipping cream I'm using, powdered whipping cream. I added 2 leveled cups of the powdered whipping cream. And I'm going to be using 1 cup of chilled water, almost block, very cold. This will help it to mix very well and rise to give you what you want. So you just whisk with your hand mixer, or if you have a stand mixer you can also use that, but I don't think any other method can work unless the mini manual hand mixer. That one you can use your hand and mix, but you can't use spatula, you can't use spoon or any other thing. You have to use the mixer, either this one or the other stand mixer. So you continue mixing until you see that it's thick. You can see how thick it is. So you place your skewers in your cake so that it will be very firm. I didn't bother to scrape the edge of the cake because I just decided to leave it like that. They are a bit leveled and I'll be using the icing to cover it up. So, and it's just a home birthday cake, so that's just why I decided to leave it like that. So go ahead and apply the icing on the cake. All around the cake, ensure that it's well covered. So you go ahead and smoothen the cake out with your bench scraper gently, and if there are any gaps you just apply again and smoothen. So there's this design I'm going to do on the cake, so I decided to, with that design you don't need to bother yourself too much about smoothing it out to perfection, but let it just be okay. So just ensure that you apply it to any part that is not well covered and continue to smoothen out until it's okay. So this is the first time I decided to try out this textured design on cake. So let me know in the comment section how it turned out. I think it's fair enough. So this is an escape route from smoothing a cake. An escape route. But it's fine. And this is how they come up with different designs. So I just cut out the tip of my piping bag and I'm using a 1M nozzle. This nozzle that will give you this star shape or rosette. So I just put it into my piping bag and mark out where will be enough for the icing to come out from and cut with the scissors. So it's time to decorate. Yay! I love this part. So I'm just squeezing out a little bit and trying to just do little design on the edge. Sorry about the way I position my hand. Just imagine what I'm doing. It's not difficult though. So this is it. This is my best part, this rose. I like making them on cakes. So when I was done, I placed it in a carton and covered it very well. These cake cartons that you buy from cake shops, ensure that it fits your cake very well. I just felt like adding one more, but I think that would have been enough. So this is it, almost done, almost done. This is gold dust I bought, and I'm just adding it to my little container. Then I'm adding edible spirit to it, a little bit, just a few drops of edible spirits, so I can do my splash design. So I just applied it to the pastry brush and splashed it around the cakes. You can transport this cake safely within the same town that doesn't have potholes and bumps too much. About 30 minutes to 1 hour drive. You can place the cake in the front part of your car, the passenger side, or in the boot. If your boot is very neat, ensure that the space you are keeping it is very neat. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.